What is up, guys? I know I haven't been on YouTube that much, but this is the trade I took to pass my combines, and we are officially. I only bought two. I only bought two due to the fact that we are a little bit in drawdown, and I guess you would say my confidence within the market, but we're starting off a little light. I told myself I'm only gonna buy two, and if I pass these and I get a payout, then I'm gonna reinvest them into more accounts. So that's the plan. And let me show you guys what trade I actually took to pass these accounts. Or honestly, those just two accounts that I passed. So going into London session, I was looking at my desk. I'm like, yo, this Loki looks like a nice little. It was pretty simple. Literally, all I marked out was these fair value gaps right here. And usually when I like try to like pass these evals, the setups are not really great, if that makes sense. Like the goal for you is to pass like the count. So with that in mind, you kind of have to like throw, like keep throwing, keep lobbing those trades, see if they actually hit. Because the goal is for you to pass them, and then once you have the express accounts, then that's when you can be a little bit more selective on where you enter your trades. So if you go on the 1 minute, this was pretty simple, honestly. So we have London session here, London session, and I literally, all right, let's go on the 5 minute. This is where London session. I go on the 5 minute, and I'm like, okay, bet price is right here. I low key want, okay. I low key want price to come back down, fill within these gaps, and then continue on higher towards these Asian session highs. But if you look in the 1 hour, we did have this like new day opening gap that we did get filled. I did want these lows to get hit, but we didn't get those lows hit. In the 5 minute, we were still within this bullish uptrend. I'm like, all right, bet we're still bullish. Let me see if we price like comes and retrace into these gaps, which we did. Go on the 1 minute. We come into these gaps. We literally get a break of structure, fair value gap, and I enter. Goes off this candle, stops literally on this low, or like a little bit like this, and it was a 1 of 3 to pass the evals because I was risking 500. And you can see right here we have the express accounts, pass, boom, it is what it is, chilly. But damn, this shit just went, oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Price just fucking, oh my god, dude. Yeah, price just fucking went berserk, but we're not really worried about that. Yeah, that was a trade I took, London session. Tomorrow, we're gonna do live trading. I'm just gonna go on the charts. I'm gonna explain to you guys what I see and how I do it, and I'm just gonna upload it on YouTube. And yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day today. Hopefully you guys smacked like TPs or some shit. But honestly, I'm not really gonna get into like my strategy due to the fact that I don't feel confident enough to teach. Like, to me teach, I feel like we need like a few requirements, and those requirements is like, first of all, if you're like not doing this full time, then I don't think like I feel like you should not be teaching this, because people want to be a full-time day trader, and if you're not a full-time day trader, then kind of like does not correspond. So once I am full-time on this, I'll be willing to help you guys out, but for right now, I'm not doing this full-time. I do have a job, so therefore, we gotta relax a bit, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna let you guys know what I trade, how I see, what I do on these markets, and yeah, hopefully you guys had an amazing day today. Peace.